What's up traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. This week, the S&P 500 notched its 11th record high of the year. Investor optimism is pushing forward, brushing off economic uncertainty like a minor inconvenience. Overseas, the European Central Bank held rates steady on Thursday, choosing caution as European-US trade talks grow increasingly tense. Markets still found fuel in strong tech earnings, but geopolitical drama and tariff threats are still very much alive in the background. In DC, President Trump signed yet another trade deal, this time with Japan, making it the 6th since Liberation Day. Rumors are swirling that similar deals with the EU and South Korea could be just around the corner. Meanwhile, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent turned up the heat on the Fed, calling for a formal review of its operations. He didn't go as far as Trump in calling for Powell's resignation, but the pressure is building. On the crypto front, Bitcoin remains stuck, failing to break above 121,000. But that didn't stop Trump media from making headlines with a bold $2 billion buy of Bitcoin and related assets. This made digital currency a whopping 2/3 of the company's total balance sheet. In tech, Alphabet crushed earnings with Q2 revenue hitting $96.43 billion, fueled by a nearly 32% jump in Google Cloud and blowing past the 26.5% expected. Meanwhile, Amazon drew bullish attention ahead of its July 31st earnings, with Needham's Laura Martin hiking her price target to $265. Tesla, on the other hand, ran out of charge. The EV maker reported a 16% decline in Q2 profits and a 13.5% decline in vehicle sales. Elon Musk even admitted that the company's in a weird transition period and warned of a few rough quarters ahead. To add to the drama, SpaceX revealed that Musk might be taking on new political roles, reigniting speculation and anxiety for Tesla shareholders. On another note, United Healthcare Group dropped after disclosing criminal and civil DOJ investigations into its Medicare billing practices. The case centers on alleged upcoding for bigger reimbursements. This follows a series of scandals, including insider trading concerns and leadership shakeups, and the stock has now lost 50% over the past year. Microsoft found itself in crisis mode as hackers exploited a serious SharePoint vulnerability to breach systems worldwide. The company is racing to contain the damage and issue fixes as the situation continues to unfold. In a blast from the past, meme stocks made a noisy comeback, evoking 2021's speculative chaos. Stocks like Kohl's, GoPro, Krispy Kreme, Open Door, and even 1-800-Flowers surged despite no news, just pure retail energy. And the unexpected retail darling of the week, Sydney Sweeney. The Euphoria star debuted as the face of American Eagle's new denim campaign, and shares of American Eagle soared. With buzz growing on the Wall Street Bets subreddit, the brand became the latest lightning rod for social media-fueled trading. Finally, the world paused to honor the legacies of 3 icons we lost this week: Ozzy Osbourne, Hulk Hogan, and Malcolm Jamal Warner. From music to wrestling to classic TV, their impact on pop culture will be felt for generations. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.